G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a white rocky road. This is so yummy. Let's go.
Simple Cooking channel.
Get a large mixing bowl and put in 500 grams of white chocolate. Now we want to melt this, so chuck it in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds, give it a stir and repeat that for 30 seconds, stir until it has melted completely. Alrighty then, now that it's melted, now you want to do this before you melt it. You want to cut up about 200 grams of marshmallows, or just get mini marshmallows. I like to cut it up so it's different sizes. 100 grams of Turkish delight and 100 grams of red licorice. Now just cut all that up into little pieces and get anywhere from about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of crushed nuts, peanuts, whatever type of nuts you like. Now we want to add all this in while this is nice and melted before it starts to set. Then there's your cut up Turkish delight, red licorice, crushed nuts. And I'll stir this through quickly so it's all mixed in. Now just get a baking tray, grease it, and then put this in. You can always put down some baking paper or parchment paper just to make sure that it doesn't stick, but you know, once this is set, there shouldn't be any real issues with it getting it out. Now just pop this in the fridge until it sets, and then cut it up into pieces or just eat it in one giant mouth. There you go. Ready. Didn't take long. Now just cut it into pieces. Well, I hope you like these. So awesome. So many sensations, I almost discombobulated my brain. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple